In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a button in Notion. Notion is a powerful tool that many of us use for organizing our thoughts, projects, and tasks. However, not everyone is aware of the little tricks that can make your workflow even more efficient and effective. Today, we'll focus on one such feature, creating a button. To begin, make sure you have the Notion app open on your desktop or in your web browser. If you're anything like me, your digital space is a place of ideas and to-dos that are constantly evolving. With that in mind, let's dive in. Start by navigating to the Notion page where you want to incorporate this new element. Think about where this button will be most useful to you. Perhaps it's a project board where you want a quick shortcut or a dedicated page for all your daily productivity tools. Once you've decided, make sure you're on the right page. Next, you'll want to bring up the action menu. This is where the magic happens. Simply type the / key, which will prepare Notion to take your command. Following the /, type the word button. As you start typing, Notion will present you with various block options that you can add to your page. Look for the one labeled button and select it. This is the block we're going to work with. With just these few steps, a new button block will appear on your page. It's that simple. However, what's great about this button is the endless customization possibilities it provides. You can rename it, change its color to suit your theme, or even link it to different actions or databases within your Notion environment. Think about how you want this button to function. Do you want it to automatically create new pages, or perhaps act as a quick link to other valuable resources or tools within your Notion setup? The key here is aligning the button's functionality with how you engage with your workspace. Understanding these customization options can help you truly make the most of Notion's versatility. Remember, the goal is to simplify your process and streamline your workflow. Little additions like these buttons can enhance your productivity and allow you to navigate your workspace with ease. I hope this demonstration has been helpful. By now, you should have a shiny new button on your page, ready to serve you. Remember, practice and play around with these tools to fully understand how they integrate into your workflow. The more you personalize your workspace, the more valuable and efficient your Notion experience will become. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial useful and that you're excited to continue customizing your Notion workspace. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks, and until next time, happy organizing.